Yeah, yeah, Becky G.
Okay, good evening, my colleague.
Good evening.
Today we are here to talk about the impact on the construction that has been occurs at the Mukim Mori that is owned by the Sentoria Bay Sdn Bhd. So, first of all, I want to know the impact of pre-construction.
Okay. The impact of pre-construction. There are four phases in the pre-construction. First, documentation, establishment of access tracks, and soil or site investigation will present negative effects for environment. In this phase, effects in the environment could be expected as a result. First, noise from vehicles, and second, dust emission as a result from waste removal. Third, soil contamination due to accidental leakage of oils and lubricants from equipment use. And lastly, the road resulting in traffic.
So, these are the impact. And is there any counter solution?
Oh, for the solution, okay, any disturbance to the environment is confined within the designated surveying sites only, whose locations are established by the respective land surveyors in order to ascertain the existing condition of the site. If any, beneficial impacts are created through employment opportunities for those involved in the surveying works, associate, labours, and analytical laboratories.
Okay, thank you, Nazim. And how about the earthwork and construction phase? Is there any impact on the environment?
Yes. Okay, for earthwork and construction phase, cut and fill earthwork may be required at structure location along the study alignment to establish safe and sufficient work areas for construction. It is expected that the majority of the earthwork will be required in areas where the more strongly undulating topography occurs, particularly within the western portion of the study alignment.
Okay.
Detailed design of this earthwork will take into consideration erosion, controls, and adequate mitigation measures will be incorporated into the design.
Okay. So, since earthwork is about site clearing and creating a proper surface for the construction, and that will lead to exposing surface area, and I assume that the sediment will be occurs as the runoff from the rainwater will be causing pollution. So the pollution will be such as turbidity, increasing of turbidity that disturb the aquatic life, which is limited the sunlight for the aquatic life, and the high level of sediment that causes the clogging for the hydraulic facilities. So, is there any measures to minimize this pollution?
Okay, I would like to suggest that to install 3 sediments. As we know, the sediments is to capture the erosion, soils, and rainfall. The runoff of the rainfalls, and then we need to maintain. We need to carry out the maintenance, the constant maintenance of drainage network and sediments, so that it in the good conditions. And then we create a boundary for the problems of the leakings of sediments. We need to maybe create a boundaries by using sediment fence and sandbag, which to trap the sediment particles.
Okay. So, since sediment is mainly caused by the runoff from rainwater, is there any measures to manage the runoff of the water?
Okay, I suggest the diversion channel is installed in the project site so that the water runoff will be diverted around the construction area.
Okay.
For the second one, the drainage outlet protection is also proposed in order to prevent the high velocity flow and produce non-erosive velocities.
Okay.
And third one is temporary waterway crossing. Is to provide an alternative access for water.
Okay. Thank you, Nazim. And how about on the mobilization on site? Is there any impact on the environment?
Okay, actually, mobilization refers to the activities that should be carried out after the client has selected the main contractor,
Okay.
but before the contractor commences work on site. One temporary centralized labour quarter (CLQ) shall be proposed, but on site the problem of organic pollution in terms of untreated sewage may arise. Without proper sewage management, untreated raw sewage will cause water pollution and lead to spread of disease and thus creating hazard to the communities nearby. The negative impact on the environment will be